Hello everyone, today I'm taking you on a tour of a very special project. He meticulously scrapes away the remaining ice and prepares for the first batch of wood. Powered by a portable generator, his workshop comes to life. Each large log is carefully measured and scored. He uses a specialized set of jigs and an array of power tools, a screw-on circular saw for initial cuts, a jigsaw for precision work, and a rotary tool to shape the joints perfectly. This precise joining technique is essential to ensure a tight and secure fit. Before placing each log, he tapes foam tape along the seams, ensuring a weather-tight seal. One by one, the walls begin to rise. He drilled pilot holes through the heavy timbers, driving in long structural screws to secure each batch of timber. As the structure grew taller, he assembled scaffolding inside the cabin to continue the work safely. A backhoe arrived, lifting the heavy roof beams onto the scaffolding, a task impossible for a single man. Now he was working at height, meticulously preparing and placing each roof beam. The same process of cutting, shaping, and sealing was repeated carefully. He used an angle grinder to smooth the joints, demonstrating a high level of craftsmanship. Finally, with the main structure complete, he took a final measurement. The sturdy wooden walls standing tall in the vast snow-covered wilderness. He begins with the exposed log ends on the porch, carefully marking and trimming each one flush with a chainsaw. An angle grinder then smooths the cuts, creating a clean, uniform look that highlights the beauty of the dovetail joinery. High above, the crucial task of installing the metal roof gets underway. Working methodically across the expansive roofline, he lays down each corrugated panel, overlapping them to create a seamless barrier against the harsh Alaskan weather. Each sheet is meticulously screwed into place, securing the cabin's interior. Back on the ground, a sturdy staircase begins to take shape. From a massive timber, the stringers are expertly cut and fastened, providing access to the front porch. Attention then turns to the railing, where raw, natural logs are transformed into functional art. Vertical posts are set, and handrails are custom fitted between them. For a modern touch, he drills through the posts and installs a sleek cable railing system, welding custom hardware to ensure a taut, secure fit. The solid log walls are then opened up for the door and windows. Using a chainsaw, he carves out the precise openings, which are then carefully framed and sealed. With the help of his young assistant, the door is installed and the cabin is finally enclosed. The final stage involves finishing the upper dormer, where windows are installed and the exterior is wrapped in rigid foam insulation, ensuring the cabin will be a warm and cozy retreat for years to come. With the cabin shell complete, the focus moves to the intricate systems that will bring it to life. The builder begins with the plumbing, carefully running flexible PEX tubing through the wall cavities and connecting the lines with a crimping tool. He installs a central manifold, creating an organized hub for the home's water distribution. Next, he tackles the electrical system. The main breaker panel is securely mounted between the studs. With the help of his son, he pulls, organizes, and strips the myriad of wires connecting each circuit to its designated breaker. As winter sets in, he moves to the heart of the cabin's comfort, the hydronic heating system. Outside in the dark, he connects a large fuel tank, running the line to a dedicated utility room. Inside, he assembles a complex network of copper piping, pressure gauges, and circulation pumps, all connected to a high-efficiency boiler. The interior finishing begins with insulating the walls and hanging drywall in the bathroom and closets. He then moves to the ceiling, meticulously installing beautiful tongue and groove wood paneling that adds warmth and character to the space. Custom trim work follows, as he carefully frames the windows and builds out the closets with sturdy shelving. Finally, the flooring is laid. He starts by vacuuming the concrete slab, ensuring a clean surface. One by one, engineered hardwood planks are carefully cut, fitted, and tapped into place, transforming the construction site into a warm and inviting living space. Attention then turns to the rest of the kitchen. A beautiful butcher block countertop is crafted, with the pieces glued, clamped, and cut to size. For a rustic, industrial touch, he assembles and paints a series of custom pipe brackets for open shelving. These are securely mounted to the log walls, ready to support thick, sturdy wooden shelves that are cut and fitted into place. The final details bring the kitchen to life. Recessed lighting is installed in the wood-paneled ceiling, along with a stylish pendant light. The stove and refrigerator are moved into position. The final details bring the cabin to life as the craftsman creates unique light fixtures. He carefully drills into moose antlers and expertly wires them to be hung as chandeliers. Mounted on the vaulted wood ceiling, these rustic fixtures are fitted with vintage Edison bulbs, casting a warm, inviting glow. In the bedroom, custom shelving is installed in the closet, providing practical and beautiful storage, which is then enclosed by wooden bifold doors. Matching blinds are fitted to the windows, adding the final touch of privacy and polish to the cozy interior, which now stands as a welcoming beacon in the winter night. Thank you for watching. See you in the next building review.